MATLAB is a powerful and versatile tool for performing business, scientific, and engineering analysis. Mastering the skills you need to use MATLAB effectively will let you work quickly and find useful solutions. In this course, I will demonstrate how you can apply the incredible power of MATLAB to your data. I'm Curt Frye. Join me at LinkedIn Learning for an introduction to the essential skills that will let you unlock the power and flexibility that comes with the MATLAB analytical environment. Thanks for your interest in MATLAB. Before I get started with the course, I'd like to review some things that you should know to get the most out of it. First off, we do assume a basic knowledge of MATLAB. That would include tasks such as assigning values to variables, doing simple matrix calculations, and so on. I will review many of those tasks as I go along, but I won't spend much time on them. Second, it helps if you have a background in science, math, or engineering, or at least studying one of those subjects. MATLAB is great at performing scientific and engineering analysis, and if you're working in those fields, this will be a valuable tool. And finally, you should have a willingness to explore. MATLAB is a vast environment, and the more that you dig in, the more that you'll find and that you can use in your own practice. Thanks again, and let's get going with the course. MATLAB is a powerful and flexible program. So powerful, in fact, that it can be difficult to keep track of everything you need to know. In this movie, I will show you how to get help in MATLAB, both by searching the help system and how the program offers the help when you make a mistake. I have opened MATLAB in my browser, and you can see on the Home tab of the user interface that toward the right side there is help. There are various options, such as documentation and examples. In this case, I will just open the documentation. The documentation section opens up in a separate browser window, and from here, I can get help on using MATLAB and also any of the other applications that come along with a MATLAB subscription. In this case, I will search for a specific element, and that is a command called isa. And this is a command that will determine if an input has a specified data type. It is the first option that comes up, so I'll click there. And you can see that the browser shifts to the isa help page. I won't describe isa in detail here. Instead, I will take a look at it elsewhere in the course. So for now, I will close the help page and go back into MATLAB. I also mentioned that MATLAB will offer to correct variable names for you, or at least let you know that you have made an error. And I will start by assigning a variable named var1, the value of 6. There we go. And let's say that I want to display that value, but by mistake I type var2 and press enter. I get an indicator message saying that there is an unrecognized function or variable var2, and it asks, did I mean var, which is a command, but in this case instead I want var1. So I'll type var1, press enter, and it displays the value of 6. So as you can see, there are several ways to get help in MATLAB, both from the main help system and also within the command window.